Hello guys, so today we are going to learn how to trade jump 75 index, but we are going to be looking at it much from a lower time frame this time. However, even if we are looking at the lower time frame, we also have to pay attention to the higher time frame so we can find the underlying market trend. So now let's go to our day one chart, our daily chart. So I'll expand it. So this is our daily chart right here. One can see this. Make it smaller. So you can see that the market is on the bearish trend. It has been falling for a while, right? It has been falling for a while, so it's really a bearish trend. But what we're going to be looking at, we are going to be looking at this zone right here. Yes, this zone. Okay. So as you can see, market has been falling, fell from here down to this level. Question now is why the market stop here and make a reversal to the upside? That's the question on that. How do you know this market is going to stop here and there's going to be some sort of rejection? This is how we go to this point. We change our line chart. Before the market gets to this level, we're going to look at the previous market trends and find multiple zones where price rejected, and it's right here. At this point, you can see price rejection here, and you can also see rejection here. You see multiple touches. I believe this part here, they are part of it. If I change it now to the candlesticks here, you'll find a wick there. Yeah, you can see there's a wick there. So we can say this whole zone is a major area, right? So now for us to place our trade and for us to do proper analysis, we have to go to a lower time frame to see what the market is saying. So we'll go to the lower time frame, and there you find our moving average. Remember guys, I said in my previous video about indicators. Indicators are secondary options. Whatever indicator you plan to use in any financial asset should work for you, because your focus should first of all be market structure and price action. After market structure and price action, then your indicators will follow. So based on this system of trading, after going to a lower time frame 4 hours, and when you go to a lower time frame, what are you looking out for? You are looking out for candlestick patterns. You are looking out for chart patterns, and also you can also pay attention to our awesome oscillator, which is, like I said, the secondary option. So because the awesome oscillator is below the zero line, so we know the market is going to, go in the upward direction. So it's in line with our daily chart. So I'm going to delete this stuff here because I do not like my chart with this. I want to see what I'm doing. So back to 4 hours. So back to 4 hours. Okay, yeah, this is our spot here. So when the market got to this level, guys, are you see what I'm seeing? Already seeing that there's a movement in the market here, right? So we're going to do, I'll change it to line chart. You can see that the market has been falling for a very long time. So what we're going to do, we'll take our trend line and we'll find that spot where the market broke that level. You can draw it in different ways. One, you need to touch at least two. You need this trend line to touch at least 2 peaks right here. So you can see actually it touches 3. There is one here. There's another one here. There actually like 2 here. Then before it broke out of the line. And if you notice, breaking out of this line tallies with this support area. It became resistance and it became support, vice versa. You see how it's working. So now, at the break of this level, I'm going to remove it on my chart clean. Let's see what happens. You can see it broke this line, the trend line, broke the horizontal line. At this point, you are not very sure that your market is going to go in the upward direction. So because jump 75 index are very volatile, and if you don't have much funds in your account, you might not want to just jump in right here and start trading just because it's a break here. So we're going to mark this zone and we're going to go to 1 hour, right? Let's see. So this is our 1 hour. you see the break. After the break, this is the break of this level. You know, after the breakout, there's going to be some sort of retracement, a minor retracement. Now, how can you tell how far will the retracement go? Again, you go to your line chart, you look at the previous area, and you want to find places of multiple touches. It's right here, which is here and here. This is why price got to this level and continued to go in the bullish trend. So this is where you finally place your trade on your 1 hour time frame right here. So guys, this is how to trade jump 75, right? And you can see it's below the home base. I talked about this in my previous video. I talked about the settings for this moving average to below the home base. So it's very sure now that the price is going in upward direction. For people who are wondering if you can do this on 15 minutes, yes, I think I would make that possible in another video. Let's go to I'm going to show you that on another video. I want to show you something on more recent trend on jump 75. Remember guys, my previous video I told you about the 3-touch strategy on the trend line, that after 2 touches on the trend line, diagonal trend line, that's support of distance, it's the same thing. A trend is established at the 3 touches. So I'm going to change this to a line chart. Still on this, after the market broke this level, it will trace down to this level, right? Now, how far will it go? Same thing, look for previous places. That's why it got to this point. As I got to this level. And guess what? Price continued to go up. The same thing, you go on your 1 hour, you go look for places. And at this level, you can actually find triple bottom here, which is a chart pattern formation. You see here, 1, 2, 3. And after the triple bottom formation, there was a large candle breakout after the 3rd touch. And also gave an engulfing candle, broke above the moving average, small retest down to this level, and price continued to go up. And in that note, there were still movements. This is where we want to apply the 3 touches system. Draw your trend line to touch at least 2 levels, just here and here. At that point, this 3rd level will still be in formation, so you're going to help make it tally to your horizontal line. So this is 1, this is the first movement, first impulse, and this is the 2nd one. And at the 3rd touch, how will it get here? It's going to align with this line. And also, let's say our horizontal line, let's map previous zone. I'm going to pick this level because here, this zone and this zone, more than 2 actually, 3. And you can add this as well, 4. And when you change it to your candlesticks, you're going to see the wicks. You know, it's a major area. That is why when price got to this level, you're looking at this zone. See, guys, see, it is not a line. It's not like you're waiting for the price to get to that line. You're looking at it as a zone. It's a zone. So it's an area. So this is our area right here. This is going to be our area. You see that, guys? So I'm removing this stuff now. So let's map this area. At this level, there's going to be a struggle. On the lower time frame, you're going to find more like a sideways movement, like a consolidation. Let's look at it on 5 minutes. Let's see how it's like. It's going to be like a consolidation zone. Yep. So you can see this whole zone is consolidating, and you can see multiple touches here. So 1, 2, 3 at the 3rd touch. The same thing. It's always repeating itself. There was a large candle breakout. You can place your buy on 5 minutes, but we are looking at 1 hour this trade because I do not like to trade on 5 minutes. It's too messy. So now this is 1, 2, 3, right? The 3 touches. You can look out for a breakout at this candle, and as you can see, there was no minor retracement. This is why, it's not always accurate. Like, it must go exactly how you planned it. So at the breakout of this candle, you can just place your buy here, and your stop loss will be below this point. And at this level, you can also find a breakout here. You can see that, right? So So guys, this is how to trade jump 75. And yeah, forgot to do something. In case you are wondering when to take a profit, just measure the previous movement to how far the market will go, and you get your take profit. I wouldn't stay to the end, but anyway. So guys, don't forget, if you know you love this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Share it, like it, and share it to some of your friends. And so if you want them to succeed in their synthetic trading. So peace guys.